Morning, sir. Question for today is what is slip disc?
Very good evening. This is Dr. Mohammad Faizan, orthopedic spine surgeon from West Avenue Medical Center, Nagpur. So the question is what is slip disc? Slip disc is a condition wherein there is a cushion-like structure between the vertebrae of spine or the backbone. This cushion-like structure is called as disc. Sometimes it slips backwards, which is called as slip disc. Now this backward slippage leads to pressure over the nerves which are coming to the lower limb. So from the lower back, these nerves come to the lower limb. From the neck, these nerves go to the upper limb. Upper limb means hand, lower limb means leg. So I'll explain you by these models which I have. So these nerves which originate from the cervical spine go to the neck, goes to the upper limbs or the hand, and those nerves which come from the lumbar spine goes to the lower limbs. Now this is the structure of our spine. This part is called as cervical spine, this is called as dorsal spine, and this part is called as lumbar spine. In this model you can see the nerves which are coming out from the spinal cord, which is the important extension of the brain, which is covered by this or protected by this vertebral column. Now these nerves when they come out from this intervertebral foramen, from the neck they go to the upper limb, from the chest part they come in front, and from the lower back or lumbar spine they go to the lower limbs. Now in between the vertebrae or the backbones, there is this white structure which is called as disc. So this is a cartilaginous structure, this is bone, this is cartilaginous, this is cartilaginous, this is bone. So this cartilaginous structure sometimes slips backwards, and when it slips backward there is a lot of inflammation which makes it appear red, and there is pain which travels along this nerve to the lower back. Now the mechanism is something like this. So this is the bigger model of the individual vertebra and the disc complex. So this is a bone, vertebra bone, this is another vertebra bone. In between this disc or cushion like structure is called as disc. So this acts as a shock absorber, but sometimes, and this is the spinal cord from where the nerves are coming out, but sometimes this disc protrudes back like this on excessive pressure, and it will cause pain or inflammation on the nerve, and that pain will travel along the leg or along the upper limb. So this is what is exactly called as slip disc, and this has got a lot of treatment modalities. Mostly they get cured by medicines. Sometimes they may need special treatment like injections, physiotherapy or surgery. Thank you.